Look London, talk Tokyo.
So tell us, Vivek, what are you feeling right now? Excited, nervous, mixed?
I think Fool and Final is really funny, really cute, crazy comedy as the promo suggests. I've got a really small, sweet, special role in it. It's a very special character. And I think kids will appreciate it. I'm hoping kids will appreciate it. I did it for Firoz Bhai and for all the little children who are going to be watching this film. It started. Sorry. Just any one question.
Yeah, that's my one question.
Any one
How was it
question?
riding the James Bond car?
I loved driving that car. It was absolutely fantastic. And in fact, when they gave me the car, I remember I behaved like this really good, hard-working actor. Went up to my director Ahmed and said, "Brother, if I have to, come in and drive this car with the perfect style, I have to practice with it." And Ahmed was so busy with everything else. He said, "Yeah, very good, very good." He gave me the key and he said, "Go practice." I had so much fun. I spun the car around for 2-3 hours. And when finally the shot happened, I was so disappointed that I had to give the car back. But it was a great experience. I guess all boys love it.
फिल्म का नाम है विवेक, फिल्म का नाम है फुल एंड फाइनल। फिल्म में आप फुल हैं, आपने किसी को फुल बनाया है, क्या है?
फिल्म में मैं फाइनल हूँ।
देखिए जो आप पहना हुआ आपने
You have to see it.
विवेक लास्ट क्वेश्चन
फिल्म का फाइनली फुल कौन है?
Yeah,